Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys 9 ways to budget and save your money. So as a college student or a high school graduate, it can be really hard to save or budget your money just because your checks might be kind of small because you may be working hourly or part-time because you don't have time to work because of school. Or if you're just a high school graduate who's not going to school, you may not have decided what you want to do yet. So yeah, these are just some tips to start your budget or save your money based off whatever income you have currently. First, I recommend deciding and determining your goals. If you don't have a strong foundation to build off of, it's going to be really hard sticking to your budget or saving your money. You have to decide why you're saving or why you're budgeting, or it's not going to last. So let's say you're saving for a car, a new apartment, or you want to transfer to a better school. Write that down somewhere. Have that set in your mind. That way, like when you're budgeting, let's say you start your budget and you want to spend money that's outside of your budget. If you have that strong foundation, you have in your mind, oh, I have to save this money because I want to get a new car, then it'll be a more chance that you'll follow the budget versus I don't even know why I'm saving, so I'm just gonna spend my money. So make sure that you have your goals, what you're saving for, or your long-term, what you want your account to look like, written down or documented somewhere. So you have that in your mind and you're focused on that while you're saving and budgeting. So starting with the first method, it's just an app called EveryDollar, and it creates a monthly budget for you so you can list all of your incomes and then you can list all your outgoing funds, so like your bills, or if you have to buy something, anything like that, you can record it and track it. That way you can start budgeting and fit everything in, and that way you'll see how much you can put away to save and how long it'll take you to save up to what you're saving to. The second method is an app called Mint, and Mint is also a budgeting app, but it focuses more on your bills and your outgoing funds. That way you can kind of calculate everything. It'll let you know when your bills are coming up, when your bills are due, and let you know how much money you'll have after you pay each bill and stuff like that. It also kind of has things to help your credit score and all that kind of stuff. So Mint is sort of more towards budgeting with your bills and like if you're in debt or things like that. The third and last app I'm going to tell you guys about is an app called Digit. And Digit is a very visual app. I've heard a lot of good things about Digit. And Digit just has like completion bars in the dashboard for each thing that you're doing. So like, let's say you're saving up for a certain vacation or trip. You can have your student debt, and you can have bills, anything you're saving for, your goals, anything like that. And it'll have little completion bars for each thing. So it'll show you, oh, you're this close to paying off your student debt, or you're this close to saving up for your vacation. So it seems really cool. I haven't tried it, but yeah. And another good thing is you can actually connect your card and bank account to the app, so you can pay your bills through the app, or you can actually put money away in the app and it'll control it. And yeah. The fourth method I have for you guys to budget and save your money is the envelope method. If you go on YouTube and search envelope method, you'll see tons of videos of people putting their money into envelopes. The envelope method is really just you have an envelope for each thing you need, like every bill or everything you're saving for, and you put a certain amount of cash into the envelope. So let's say you have an envelope for your phone bill, and your phone bill is like $100. So with a paycheck, you would cash it and you would put $100 cash into the phone bill envelope, and you would do that for each thing. So it's kind of like a more physical thing for people who really like have no control or like really need something that'll like guarantee they're putting their money away. Because in a phone you can just transfer the money, but if you use the envelope method, your money is physically in the envelope. So it's all about like not going in there and not taking it or spending it on something else. A fifth way to save your money is if your current job or source of income has direct deposit. You can go into your settings or however you set up your direct deposit with your job, and you can change it to where a certain percentage of your paycheck goes into different bank accounts. So let's say you want to put 60% of your paycheck into your savings account. You can set that up and then only have 40% go into your checkings. That way you're putting majority of your money or however much you want to put away, and you only have a certain amount to spend. The sixth method for saving your money is sort of similar to the fifth, but it's just setting up auto pay for your bills. That way you don't have to worry about putting money aside for your bills or anything. It's automatically taken out of your account, and then you'll just have to budget the money that wasn't used to pay your bills, if that makes sense. So it's not as full-blown as the other budgeting methods, but it's just like a simple trick to make sure your bills are paid, and then you'll have less money to budget. So the seventh method is going to be opening another account. It could be with another bank, or it could be alongside with whatever bank you're currently using, and just making sure that account is less accessible as your primary one. So you could just, if you open one with another bank, you can make sure you don't have a card for that account, or make sure you don't have like the app on your phone or anything. That way you have to physically go get it, and making it less accessible will just lower the chance of you using the money and increase the chance of you actually saving the money and leaving it in the account. The eighth method is going onto Google Sheets or Word Excel and physically writing out everything that happens with your money. You can make a column for your incoming sources of income, and then you can make a column for your outgoing funds, and you can list every bill, everything you spend your money on every month, whether it's your nails, your hair, everything. And then after you calculate everything and the difference between those, you can see how much money you have left, and then you can decide how much you want to put away and what else you want to distribute the money to. That way you can just physically see everything, like your source of income, what you're getting and what you're putting out, and then you can get a better idea of what you should be saving. And yeah. The ninth method is budget templates. So it's just pretty much the same as making your own on Google Sheets or Word Excel, except there are people out there who will make templates for you, and you can purchase them, or you can find some for free online, and you can just fill everything in. That way you don't have to go through the trouble of making your own and writing everything, and you won't forget anything. Or you can also go on YouTube. There's plenty of YouTubers who do budgeting videos like this, and they make their own templates, and you can purchase one for them, or some of them have them listed for free. But yeah, it's just having a budget, like a physical view of your whole monthly budget, just helps you visualize everything and makes it a tad bit easier. Okay, so this concludes the video, 9 ways to save and budget your money. I hope this video helped you guys out a little bit, give you some new ideas. If you want to see more in-depth videos of any of the methods I listed, just comment below and let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.